Welcome everyone, my name's Steve Walters. I'm here with Blackout Tinting Emergency Division. Today we're looking at Somerset's new patrol vehicle. This morning we actually got the vehicle finished and Ross Wraps, a local company, actually did the wrap for this. Nice and clean, very nice bright colors, easy to see. Let's get all the lights on and show you what we've done. So on this vehicle we have Federal Signal wheel arch lights. We have one on each wheel well. We have a Wheelan light bar with blue and red. Also there's white for the accents on the sides. We'll show you that later. In the back here we have some sound off tail light flashers that'll give us our wig-wag effect. And also 4 Wheelan lights, 2 next to the license plate and 2 on the hatch of the car itself. And we have those alternating. That's actually something that we made ourselves. All right, this Wheelan light bar is equipped with multiple custom patterns. Let's see what they are. With this Wheelan light bar, it gives you a nice visibility with your left and right alleys. Inside the vehicle here, we have a Wheelan 4200 system mounted on a Gamber Johnson center console. With the Wheelan system, each button is able to be pressed 255 times and be programmed to something different. In this case, we did not do that, but if you need it, it's possible. We also have a ProGuard gun rack installed, and there is also a single prisoner cage installed on the passenger side. We have added vinyl to the plexiglass on it to give more privacy to the prisoner and to the cop that would be hauling them. We put a security light in the prisoner cage also, which is a customizable option that we have. Thank you for joining me for the overview of this vehicle. Stay tuned for more updates coming from our division.